Hold on, let's see.
There's gonna be like a fish or something attacking
Nah,
you.
there won't be a fish.
Is there leeches?
No leeches, buddy. You're good. Is it cold?
Kinda.
Nah. Holy cow, that's deeper than I thought.
Turn my shorts.
That'd be cool if you could like sit in it and it goes up to your shoulders.
It's a water slide.
Oh my god.
I'm scared.
You're fine, Noe.
Oh,
Careful. Jesus Christ. So don't stand up like Sophie did, but just sit there and put your feet in, okay?
Yeah, because I'm taller than
Yeah.
you. That like goes above my knees.
Is it nice, Noe?
Oh,
Oh.
that's so nice. It's so cold.
Nice. Cool you down in the hot summer, eh?
next time we should bring our swimsuits and go swimming.
Yeah, totally. Maybe next week you can do that.
Yeah.
Can't believe how dry this waterfall is.
Smell that moss over here.
I know.
Oh, yeah, we're too cold to jump on that ledge.
Yeah.
Dad, you see how clear it is? And then when I step here, all of the mud comes up.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Hmm.
Oh, that literally looks like dog poo.